Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're in the garden and we're in June. The weather's a lot warmer now and the risk of frost has passed by, but it's still bitterly cold some mornings. So we still need to keep an eye on some of our plants just because it's so cold. Maybe need to give it a bit of a cover, something to protect the seedlings being out in the cold winds. It's been quite windy, so June is a good time to get most of the greenhouse out. But there are still a few things that we can plant now. So let me show you what we can plant. So peas, beginning of June is probably the last chance to sow your main crop peas. So find some fast maturing peas and harvest those in September. We can also do some beetroots, plant out any that have been sowed in seedlings, or plant out beetroot directly into the ground. You can also plant out pumpkins. Any pumpkins that you've already grown on can be planted out, and plus squashes, pumpkins can also be directly sown into the ground. Now the warm weather has come, the ground is heated up, we can do them directly. And also some cucumbers. These are Honey Plus, and these are fast growing cucumbers, and they reckon they can harvest within 40 days. So we're doing some of those. Purple sprouting broccoli can be sown direct for harvest in autumn or for overwintering, and the same for broccolis and your Savoy cabbage. Carrots is about the last time we can sow carrots. Clear a small area of weeds, get a straight line, make a drill, pinch some seeds, scatter the seeds lightly along the door, cover them up, give it a water, and then thin the seedlings once they've grown. Can be sown right up to September. It'll keep us a go on radish. And we can still do some salad rockets, lettuce, and some salad mix. So how about growing some lettuce in between the garlic and the onions? Maximise the space. When the onions are ready, the lettuce will be growing in between the spaces. Great idea to maximise the space on your vegetable plot. There is also time to do turnips and swede. These can be directly sown and will harvest from October onwards. Spinach and chard can be sown June, July, and harvest from October. These can be directly sown in a well prepared, moist, fertile growing site, full sun or partial shade. So June's a good time to get your sweet corn planted, and these were sown 3 weeks ago and they're doing really well. They're looking good. So there's still quite a few vegetables that we can grow in June. So let me know in the comments, what are you growing and what are you sowing? That'd be great. Let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Cheers!